everybody, welcome on this beautiful cold morning. 2 days ago it was like 50 degrees out and sunny. Yesterday I woke up to a foot of snow. We had a foot of snow yesterday and it started to melt, but right now it's still here. Now it's starting to get icy on the roads because it's melting onto the roads and then the roads freeze, but that's okay. But it is a new month at Walgreens, so you're going to see all monthly new sales. Last month the makeup was like buy two get one free. So this month they're going to be back on sale, so there's some deals there. Not a lot of hot deals this week, but we're still going to see what we can do. But I'm excited to have some fun, and let's go inside and share with you on some great, big, awesome shopping deals. And sometimes I have no idea what I'm going to say, but that's okay. So definitely check out your body care stuff. A lot of my items, they have stuff for like almost 50% off, maybe even more. We got raw sugar for $2.49. The Dial stuff. We have soft soap on clearance. We have the Irish Spring, some more Irish Spring. The Walgreens body wash, more soft soap. Here we have Olay, Walgreens brand, more clearance. So definitely check out your stuff if you guys haven't had any, if you see any clearance at your store. So I was going to show a deal with the Crest and the Oral-B, but my store just reset their whole thing and the tags are not matching up to the prices what they show online. And then online shows that if you buy two you get $4 cash rewards, and the store shows that if you buy three you get a $5 cash reward. So something's just not right. And I was going to show you guys a deal, but I don't want to sit there and do something that's kind of wonky. But just want to give you guys a heads up. We do have a $2 off Oral-B Crest coupon, but it looks like it's just one. But so something's not adding up and I don't want to show a deal. So here we have the Gillette, the foamy for $3.79. It is currently buy one get one 50% off. The ad did show that if you bought two you get a $4 register reward. So you're going to buy two of them, pay $5.68. You get that $4 register reward, making it $1.68 or just 84 cents each. So here we have the Purex on sale for $3.70, normally $8.49. That is ridiculous, but $3.79. We currently have a $1 off digital coupon that you're going to use. You end up paying just $2.79, but then we also have a 50-cent rebate that you guys can use. That comes out to be just $2.29 for a bottle of Purex, which is an okay deal. So here we have the Tide liquid. We also have the pods, 4 for $9. We have the Downy liquid, 4 for $9, and the Bounce. And then we also have the Downy Unstoppables, 4 for $9. Now I've searched and searched and I'm only finding one 50-cent off digital coupon. If it would focus, one 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys would end up paying $8.50. You can mix and match however you want to go, but it is 50 cents off of any of those items. This one coupon pops up for all those items. So you would end up getting them for $8.50 or $2.12 each. Considering that's a pretty decent deal considering everything else is going up in price. So if you guys need some Downy, definitely, or need some Downy, Bounce, Unstoppables, or Tide, definitely a good deal. So the Scott's toilet paper and paper towels are regular price $5, but right now the new Walgreens booklet or IVC has kicked in where you get $1.25. So you get these for just $3.75 along with the paper towels. Now we do have some Fetch Rewards deals. They have it where if you buy one pack of the one pack of toilet paper and 2 packs of paper towels, you'll get 75 cents if you guys choose to do that deal. Otherwise, there is a deal where if you spend $25 on toilet paper with Scott's, so what you could do is buy 5 packs of these Scott's toilet paper at $5. That's $25, but then you'll get that Walgreens IBC coupon, making it $18.75 is what you'll pay out of pocket for 5 of these. But then you get 3,000 points when you purchase $25 more. Comes out to be $15.75 or just $3.15 a pack if you guys need to go ahead and get some toilet paper. So pretty decent deal if you need that. Here's a deal if you guys need some equal saccharon, I'm assuming is what it says, for $2.29. These are buy one, get one free. It is an all-month sale, but there's currently a Ibotta rebate where you get 75 cents back with a limit of 5, so you'd get $1.50 back. So you pay $2.29, you get $1.50 back, making it just 79 cents or 39 cents each. My store only has the one, like they've always had, but still a pretty good deal for 39 cents each if you guys need some saccharon. So here we have the Cheez-Its on sale for buy one, get one free. This is an all-month thing, but they are currently buy one, get one free. But it says right here, buy one at $3.99, you get one free, but technically they are 2 for $6. So you will end up just paying $3 for 2 boxes. But then we have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have some printables from coupons.com, or you can submit your receipt to coupons.com or the Shopify app if you guys don't do this deal with the digital. But anyways, you'll get 2 boxes for just $2. That's $1 each, which is an awesome deal. So here is an awesome find that I found. So this is the Aleve. My store has this on clearance for 93 cents, you guys, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. But this is the Aleve, and I gotta put my phone in my pocket. This is the Aleve. If your store has this, definitely price check it, but this is the UPC code. The last 4 digits are 9202, and then the small number is 5, but 93 cents at buy one, get one 50% off, and these don't expire till 2025. That's awesome. Another deal I just found was this Tylenol, which I'm kind of mad because I just bought some the other day, but they want 70 cents for that, so I'm getting the last one. The last one for the UPC code for this is 925. And this does expire till December, but 70 cents. And this is also buy one, get one 50% off. And then there's the Walgreens migraine for 80 cents that they're sold out of. And then they have some Walgreens pain reliever. Here is some other items. I don't even know what those are. Walgreens hot and cold. So definitely check out your clearance. My store has some more 90% off. We have the Asper Cream Flexi Motion. These are 90% off for $1.89, you guys. Like $1.89. Then I'm just searching some more. We have this cooling menthol spray for $1.49. And then here we have some Stress Calm for $1.09. Looks like Walgreens Sleep. Bunch of clearance. So definitely check out your clearance if you guys have not checked it out. Here is another clearance find that you guys can get. So my store has this. Regular price was $19.99. Now it's on clearance for $9.99. But we do have the IVC coupon that you guys can get for $7 off, making this just $2.99. Awesome deal if you guys need some contact stuff. So here's a great deal for the Poise. We have the Poise liners, 2 for $12. Otherwise, we have the pads, 2 for $12. But we currently have a $3 off digital coupon that you guys would want to use. So you'd pay $9 for this. But then there is an Ibotta rebate with a limit of 2. This one you get $3 back. This one you get 2. So here you'll get $6 back with Ibotta, making these just $3 or $1.50 each, which is a great deal. Here's an awesome deal if you guys need some nuts. The cashews and all that stuff, the whole cashews are on sale for $2.98, which is a great, awesome deal if you guys need that. Otherwise, they have snacks 2 for $5, and then they have the broken, pieces, buy one, get one free. So awesome deal if you guys need stuff like that. So here's a great deal if you guys need some Cadbury eggs. My parents are visiting this week, so I'm gonna get my mom some, but they are 4 for $4, which is a pretty decent deal. So great deal of the week. So the actual deal of the week is the Cadbury mini eggs. These are $2.99, and we currently have a $1 off of 2 IVC coupon. So you would just get these for, sorry, I didn't do my math before I did my video. You would get these for just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Hello, everybody. everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now Walgreens, it's kind of a little bit disappointed this week. There wasn't a lot of sales. The stuff just keeps going up. Like, I feel like I haven't bought like shampoo, conditioner as much as I used to, and the sales were just not the greatest, but I did do awesome with clearance, you guys. I could not believe how much clearance was in there. When I went to get the medicine, the cashier was telling me that Walgreens is going to be pushing more of their products instead of the name brand. So they're gonna really start pushing like their brand on the shelves than anything else, which is fine because I use Walgreens brand stuff too. Most of the time, sometimes that stuff is even made by the same manufacturer. They just put different labels on it. Not always, but most of the time. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting the Cheez-Its. These were buy one, get one free at $3.99. What just fell? $3.99 and buy one, get one free. But then if you read the tag, it says 2 for $6, making these just $3. And then we have that $1 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, if you don't have that coupon, there is a printable coupon. Or you can submit your receipt to Alexa, Shopify, and maybe the coupons.com app. Please remember, it is one account. So, anyways, but you would get these for just $2 or $1 each, which is a great deal. I've been snacking on these. Like, this is my work area, and I've been crafting down here like crazy. So I've been having some Cheez-Its because it's a great little snack to snack on while you're working. I got Purex. Now these were $3.79. There was that $1 off digital coupon that you want to use. You would pay $2.79, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents, making it $2.29, which is a decent deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I also got the Poise liners. Now these were, did I not write this down? These were 2 for $12, I think. 2 for $12. I had that $3 off digital coupon. You would pay just $9 for this, but then you get $3 back and $3 back with Fetch Rewards, making both of these just $3 or $1.50 each, which is a pretty great deal. You submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you get bonus points for that. There's also a deal where if you spend $35 or $25, you get even more, but couldn't go wrong with those. So I ended up getting those 2 items. I ended up getting some of the Cadbury eggs. My mom is coming into town this week and she absolutely loves them. She helps me with my small business on certain things, so I pay her in treats. So these were 4 for $4, so had to get those, which is a great deal. And then I ended up getting the nuts. These nuts, I've been really have a hankering for some whole cashews. These are $2.28, I think. I can't remember the price. I did not write them down, but awesome price for whole cashews. And these don't expire till 2024. This one expires in September. This one doesn't expire for over a year. So pretty great deal if you guys need some nuts. I mean, you could even get this stuff for Christmas if you want to, but for me, they will not last till Christmas. And my kids love snacking on cashews, which is fine. So we got that. I also ended up getting 4 of the Tide liquids. I got the liquids because I prefer the liquids over anything else. I'm trying to really stop kind of using fabric softener. I heard fabric softener from multiple resources is really bad for your machine. So when I do my laundry, I've been just putting like just a doop, because I've just heard it. And then my mother-in-law one time's like, you use fabric softener? And I says, yeah. So I've heard a lot of bad things, so I just try to use just a little bit, but I don't know if like really does soften your clothes or not. I think it just kind of gives you that scent, which I do like, but I've been just trying to go more towards the laundry detergent. So these were 4 for $9. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'd pay $8.50, or these come out to be just $2.12 each, which is a pretty great deal. So I ended up getting 4 of those, and they're all in this bag. Yes. So I was gonna get some Axe, but my store was completely sold out. We had a coupon for $4.99 off of 1 or 2 or whatever, so that was a really good deal, but my store, like, again, didn't have those in stock. And then there was a couple of deals that I wanted to do, but it just wasn't cheap enough, so it's okay. And then the Crest deal was like all messed up. Like, it showed that if you bought 3, you got a $5 register reward, but then when you bought 2 of them online, you showed a $4 cash rewards. But I don't know if it was like a double whammy or not. My store totally like redid everything, but stuff was in the wrong spot. The sale tags were not lining up to what they were. It was just a big mess. A big mess, but that's okay. That's okay. So I ended up going crazy over the clearance medicine. These were 93 cents and buy one get one to 50% off, so you would get them half off. Buy one regular price at 93 cents and then get the other one off. So I bought 6 of these because I was gonna give some to my in-laws because they're always asking for pain meds or something like that, and you can't go wrong with that. But there's only 50 capsules in here and I will take it. So I bought 6 of them. I have another one in my bag, but can't go wrong with 93 cents a leave. 93 cents. You guys, I bought 6 of them for the price of 1. So yeah, here's my other one. And then they only had just 1 of the Tylenol. I gotta put some of this in my purse. I have a little Tylenol holder, but this was on clearance for like 80 cents or 79 cents. I can't remember, but couldn't go wrong with Tylenol. Could not go wrong with Tylenol. So I got that. And then the last deal I got was the Gillette. Now these were $3.79 at buy one get one 50% off. You would pay $5.68 for 2 of these, but you will receive a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2, and this is a manufacturer register reward, making these just $1.68 or 84 cents. So it's a pretty great deal. These right here remind me of my grandpa. They smell like old man, and it's like all I remember is my grandpa. But fun fact, not fun fact, but there is a great little thing that you guys can do with Easter eggs. I've seen you guys send me the links and I've tried it, but you take shaving cream and then you take dye and you like sprinkle it on, and then you just roll the eggs in the shaving cream with the food dye, and it's supposed to like really like, you know, dye your eggs. I've tried it. It was a complete fail. It was very light. I don't know if it's because I had too much cream and not enough food coloring. It did make a mess. And so when I cleaned out my tray, I ended up putting the tray in my shower because I didn't want to rinse it in the sink because it was just a huge, it was like a big cookie sheet. My bathroom smelled like old man for days. But still a great deal. My stepdad uses this stuff, so I can see if he wants any of it. But great deal for that. My total came to be $35.93. I ended up doing 4 transactions because I had 4 register rewards that I had from last week that were store, the register rewards that were store use or whatever, or store coupons. So those store coupons, you can only use 1 per transaction. The manufacturer register rewards, which are identical, you can use as many of those in 1 transaction. But the good thing about the store ones is you do not have to have a filler item for those. But I ended up having to do 4 transactions because I wanted to use those up because I try to use them every week. But $35.93 is what my price was, not including the 8 $4 register rewards that I did pay with. But I did receive the $4 register reward for the Gillette. I got 8 cents back in points, you guys. 8 cents. That's awesome. With Fetch Rewards, I received 710 points, which is 71 cents. And a lot of that was from the Aleve. I got points for the Aleve with Fetch Rewards, which was kind of good. And then I also got it for the Poise, and I think the Tylenol too. And maybe the Purex. If I can remember. But then with Ibotta, I did receive $6.50 back for the 2 Poise and the Purex. So my grand total came to be $24.64. So remember, I did not pay that price. I paid with points. I used register rewards, but with all that stuff not factored in, it came to $24.64, which is a pretty good deal, I guess. So still happy with everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.